The official Shibarium release date has been revealed, and it is very soon. This is the biggest news story in weeks, and it could change everything for Shiba Inu and the Shib ecosystem. So if you have any interest in Shiba Inu, or you hold any Shib tokens, then you need to see this. So when is the official Shibarium release date, and how will it affect the value of Shiba Inu in today's video? I will be answering these questions, and I'm going to be telling you all of the new price-boosting information that has just come out about Shiba Inu, and how there is still a high possibility you could become a millionaire from Inu. I have put a lot of research into this video, so make sure you watch the entire video to not miss out on any price-boosting information. Welcome to Shiba Inu World, your daily dose of Shiba. If you are interested in everything around Shiba, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the Shib news predictions and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more Shib news. But before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is doing on the 8th of March. Shiba Inu's price today is around 1,122 units. Shib's price is up 2.6% in the last 24 hours, with a 24-hour trading volume of $401 million. The token also currently has a market cap of over $6.5 billion, ranking it as the 15th most valuable cryptocurrency. Please keep in mind these prices might have changed by the time you watch this video. It has a circulating supply of 549 trillion Shift coins, but this number is getting lower every day. Due to coin burns, the token started with a total supply of 1 quadrillion. If you are looking to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrency, then you need to sign up to Mex Global. If you join through the link in my description, you can earn up to $9,100 in free crypto. Also guys, please be aware of scammers impersonating the channel. In the comments, we do not have a WhatsApp or a Telegram. Now before we get to the main story of the video, we first need to update you on the latest Shiba Inu crypto news from today. So let's not waste any time and get into it. Blue Whale 73 adds 200 billion Shiba Inu, making Shib top held coin by Ethereum whales. Whale Stats recently reported that the 254th largest Ethereum holder tagged Blue Whale 73 added a whopping 200.89 billion Shib worth $2.24 million. In one significant transaction, this is the second time in a week that the top Ethereum whale has made a significant acquisition of Shib, after spending $1.48 million to buy 131.47 billion Shib on March 3rd, as reported by the Crypto Basic. This recent purchase has elevated Shiba Inu to one of the most purchased tokens among the top 2,000 Ethereum whales. Based on Whale Stats data, Shiba Inu remains the top held coin by dollar value among the top 1,000 Ethereum whales, as these whales currently hold a massive $606.55 million worth of Shib. This recent surge in interest in Shiba Inu tokens comes on the heels of several significant developments in the ecosystem. One of the oldest fiat crypto exchanges, BTCC, has recently listed Shib and 5 other digital assets on its platform, making it easier for millions of users to purchase these tokens using fiat currency. Furthermore, Shiba Inu has outperformed significant players like Bitcoin and Polygon to secure the top spot on CoinMarketCap's weekly trending coins list. If you are still watching, it would be massively appreciated if you could go ahead and smash the like button. It costs nothing and really helps support the channel. Also keep watching to find out the official release date of the Shibarium Layer 2 network. Shiba Inu's bone up 8% on latest Shibarium news. Here is its key targets. Shiba Inu's ecosystem token Bone shibaswap is arguably one of the biggest beneficiaries of the latest Shibarium news, with an 8% growth rate over the past 24 hours. Bone is currently trading at a spot price of 1.68, charting a steady attempt to pare off the losses it has accrued over the past 7 days. The advent of the Shibarium protocol is bound to be the start of a new era for Bone and every other token in the Shiba Inu world. While Bone will play a frontline role in its use for transaction fees and other utilities, Shib will become more deflationary as a portion is burned with each transaction on the network. There are thousands of projects that have indicated a willingness to build on the Shibarium protocol, and again the crypto ecosystem will be getting another high-performance layer 2 that will compete with the likes of Polygon and Optimism, among others. Now let's get into the main story of today's video. Shibarium Layer 2 network beta to launch this week, says the Shiba Inu team. It's almost time. The Shibarium beta will launch this week, according to the Shiba Inu team. Shiba Inu holders have been awaiting the Shibarium beta since the Shiba team hinted that its launch would arrive very soon back in January, with Shib the Metaverse being shown off at SXSW at the same time. This week will be an exciting one for the Shiba Inu community. Shibarium to launch this week, says the Shiba Inu team. After a long wait, the Shibarium beta will be launching this week. Shibarium is a layer 2 network built on top of the Ethereum blockchain. Shibarium will be powered by Shiba Inu ecosystem tokens such as Lee, Shib, and Bone. On Shibarium, users will be able to create and interact with decentralized applications, use decentralized exchanges to trade cryptocurrencies, create NFTs, and bridge assets between other blockchain networks. The chain will be a fully functioning blockchain, all powered by the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Bond will act as a utility token for transactions across the network, making it one of the ecosystem's most important tokens. When users interact with Shibarium, Shib tokens will be burned. The Shiba Inu community has asked cryptocurrency exchanges to list Bone to help with future demand. So far, the latest exchanges to have listed Bone include Gate, VioCoinX, and Crypto.com. Alongside the Shibarium beta, launch gameplay for Shib the Metaverse will be revealed at SXSW 2023. A panel on metaverses will also take place, hosted by Shiba Inu Metaverse in Pfizer Marcy Jastro. This is a massive week for the Shiv army and for Bone holders. I would recommend buying Bone now, because I think the token's price will likely double in the next couple of weeks, mainly due to the Shibarium launch, but also due to major exchange listings. Many of our subscribers comment that they are not going to sell for the next 5 years and hold millions of them, because they believe in the Shiba Inu developers and the real-world value of Shib. How many are you guys holding? Don't forget to list your Shib holdings in the comments section below. Let's praise the Shib holder for trusting and believing in the process. If you are enjoying the video, then please give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments your views on the Shiba Inu token. And make sure to turn on the post notifications to get notified every time we post a new video. Check out the video on screen now to learn more about the recent Shiba Inu news. The information provided in this video does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other advice. You should not treat any of the content as such. Do conduct your own due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. With this, we come to the end of the video. If you enjoyed, please share with friends. Let's get this news out there.
Shiba Inu shows signs of recovery today. Price bounced back. Analysts are dropping their signals. Massive $68 billion in a snap. Coinbase CEO just dropped a massive bombshell. The Trump administration starts to buy them all. Everything changed instantly. Satoshi Kusama is planning something big. What is happening? And what on earth am I even talking about? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. Shiba Inu is showing its resilience once again. After a bit of a dip over the past few days, it seems like there's a small rebound happening, and people are starting to feel more optimistic. The mood is shifting, and the atmosphere is turning bullish again. What really caught attention today was the community's efforts. They've really shown their strength, especially with the huge spike in Shiba Inu's burn rate. The popular crypto tracking service, Shiba Burn, shared some impressive numbers. Over the past 24 hours, the Shiba Inu community has burned a massive amount of coins, pushing the burn rate up by a staggering 5,700%. That's an incredible jump. It's clear that the community is working hard to reduce the supply, and it's making a noticeable impact. You might be wondering, why is this happening? Where is this price rebound coming from? Well, looking at the bigger picture, Bitcoin has also been making waves recently. Analysts are saying that Bitcoin is aiming to break past the $112,000 mark, especially with its open interest surging to a massive $68 billion. Bulls are gearing up for a fresh rally as Bitcoin bounces back to around $105,000. The crypto market has been a bit of a mixed bag lately, though, with some significant liquidations happening. Over the past 24 hours, there's been about $225 million in liquidations, with more from long and short positions. Despite this, the market is at a crossroads. On the 4-hour chart, Bitcoin's price trend shows a strong recovery, bouncing off a key level and challenging the $107,000 resistance. But there was a slight dip after it couldn't break through that level, showing a bit of a reversal. Despite that, Bitcoin's overall recovery has been strong, with its open interest climbing over 2%, reaching $68 billion. Alongside this, the long-to-short ratio has turned bullish, meaning more people are betting on the price going up, which is helping the broader market recovery. So, What does this mean for Shiba Inu? Well, with Bitcoin's momentum, it's likely giving the whole market a boost. And that includes Shiba Inu, which is now seeing some of the effects of this broader recovery, with its community pushing hard to burn coins and create more positive momentum. It's like a ripple effect. As Bitcoin rises, it's helping to lift the spirits with its prices of other cryptocurrencies like Shiba Inu. Speaking of Bitcoin, there's a massive bombshell that just dropped today, and you're definitely going to want to hear this. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong recently shared some exciting news that could shake things up for crypto, including Shiba Inu. He believes that if the US establishes a crypto reserve, it could send crypto prices soaring. This is something that has had the crypto industry buzzing, especially since the Trump administration hinted at the idea of setting up a strategic Bitcoin reserve. Armstrong talked about it during an interview with Yahoo Finance at the World Economic Forum in Davos on January 21st, and he seems pretty optimistic about it. He mentioned that Trump appeared excited about it, and if the US goes ahead with the plan, Armstrong thinks it could lead other countries to follow suit, especially the G20 nations. In a separate interview with CNBC, Armstrong even suggested that the price of Bitcoin could eventually reach millions, especially with growing institutional adoption and the potential of these reserves. He also mentioned that many finance ministers he spoke with at Davos seemed more open to the idea of crypto reserves, which is a big deal. So what does all of this mean for Shiba Inu? As Bitcoin gains more attention and momentum, it could trigger a ripple effect across the entire crypto market. The establishment of Bitcoin reserves could potentially lead to a lot of bullish signals, and with Shiba Inu already showing some signs of life, we might just see a repeat of the mega pump we saw back in 2021. The next few years under Trump could be really interesting for both crypto and Shiba Inu, and it's definitely something to keep an eye on. But this might just be the tip of the iceberg. Ethereum is also having a major impact on Shiba Inu's price right now. Analysts are saying that if Ethereum's market cap increases by 200%, Shiba Inu could see a significant price boost. Data from Into the Block reveals that Shiba Inu has a strong connection to Ethereum, with a 93% correlation over the last month. This means that Ethereum's movements are likely to have a big influence on Shiba Inu's performance in the short term. This could be a good or bad thing for Shiba Inu, depending on how Ethereum performs. If Ethereum's price goes up, Shiba Inu could benefit as well. Based on the correlation, Shiba Inu's market cap could grow proportionally by up to 200%. Right now, Shiba Inu has a market cap of about $12.75 billion, ranking as the 15th largest token on CoinMarketCap. If its market cap grows in line with Ethereum, that could push it to over $38 billion. And Shiba Inu's price could jump to more than 3 times its current value, getting close to its previous all-time high. So, if Ethereum continues to rise, Shiba Inu could follow suit and see a major price surge, potentially bringing it back to its all-time highs. The connection between the two is definitely something to keep an eye on. Here's the crazy part. Everyone knew Trump was making waves in the crypto world, and recently, it's come to light that the Trump administration bought a massive amount of Ethereum, valued at $14 million. And get this, they're now holding a total of a whopping $160 million worth of Ethereum. Given how vocal Trump has been about his crypto agenda and his stance on the SEC, does this mean he's positioning himself to do some huge projects around Ethereum? Could we be seeing even more Ethereum action soon? If that's the case, it could be huge not just for Ethereum, but also for Shiba Inu. Now, if the analysts' signals about Ethereum and Shiba Inu hold true, this could be a game changer. While this is all still speculative, we can't deny that it's generating a ton of hype within the community. The fact that the Trump administration is so involved could really send shockwaves through the market. Looking at Shiba Inu's current state, this news about Ethereum could be the perfect storm. As Ethereum continues to gain attention and momentum, Shiba Inu, with its close correlation to Ethereum, could follow suit. With the community buzzing and more people paying attention to the crypto space, Shiba Inu might just see some big gains. If Ethereum continues to rise, Shiba Inu could ride that wave and hit new highs. It's exciting to think about what could come next. And here's the kicker. It looks like the Shiba Inu devs are really starting to make their moves to make all of this happen. Shiba Inu's leader, Satoshi Kusama, has reached out to Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin with a strong desire to have a conversation aimed at driving Shiba Inu adoption globally. Kusama is not backing down from his quest to get a dialogue going with Buterin. and he made a fresh request for a chat just this past weekend. This came after Buterin posted about the changes happening within the Ethereum Foundation's leadership structure. In his post, Buterin shared that the restructuring had been going on for about a year, with the goal of improving technical expertise within the Foundation's leadership. The post quickly gained massive attention, with millions of views and thousands of comments and likes. Among the reactions, Kusama stood out. Instead of focusing solely on the leadership changes, he used the moment to request a conversation with Buterin. In his post, Kusama took the opportunity to highlight Shiba Inu's impressive achievements, mentioning that Shiba Inu is the #1 altcoin on Ethereum. He also pointed out that Shiba Inu's Layer 2 solution, built on Ethereum, has processed over 800 million transactions. Kusama made it clear that he wants to discuss how the Shiba Inu community can work with Buterin and the Ethereum Foundation to push for true global adoption of Shiba Inu. He suggested they have this conversation in the next few weeks. However, in a follow-up tweet, Kusama expressed some frustration, as Buterin had yet to respond, despite receiving hundreds of reactions to his request. Well, Kusama's efforts to connect with Ethereum's co-founder show that the Shiba Inu team is seriously focused on taking the project to the next level. If they manage to get Ethereum's support, it could open up a world of possibilities for Shiba Inu. With all this momentum building, especially with the current excitement around Ethereum, Shiba Inu could find itself riding a wave of adoption and price gains. The future is looking pretty interesting for Shiba Inu right now. But what is your opinion on this? Comment down below. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on the screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then turn on the notifications bell on this channel. Missing an important Shiba Inu update might make you lose money, so don't risk it. Also, please share this video with as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.